Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your Space ID token on your Pancake Swap. And our first step is going to be minimizing the Trust Wallet application or the wallet application you're using and opening up your browser, any browser of your choice. And the website of interest for today is coinmarketcap.com. I'll be pasting the link in the description of this video. So the web page we're currently on contains the Space ID price, its token. What we're looking for is its contract address. That's this contract address right here. We're working on the Binance Smart Chain for today's video. But if you do possess some Ethereum tokens, you could make use of the Ethereum contract address. It all works the same. So you simply copy this wallet address, this contract address, minimize, head back to your Trust Wallet application. With the toggle up here, you could search for Space ID. Okay, here is the Space ID token. If it doesn't show up on your wallet like this, if it doesn't currently show up on your wallet, you could simply paste this wallet address and get it right here. As you can see, we just activate it. We're working on the BEP20 network, which is Smart Chain. So we'll quickly head over to our browser, which is at the bottom of the screen here. Open up Pancake Swap. Replace the token MetaWall with Space. Yes, with the Space ID token. You click on the Space ID, and we're looking to swap from BNB to the Space ID token. We're looking at $1.03. So we're going to be swapping this token now. It's a medium risk token, so you're going to have to increase your slippage tolerance a bit, not to 20% necessarily, maybe 1.0. And then we can simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to come in for 0.20. So you click on approve and you click on add ID to wallets, click on OK, and you close. And with that, we've successfully swapped our BNB into the Space ID token. So we head over to our wallet, into the tokens menu, reload the tokens menu again. Just keep on reloading till we get what we are looking for. And as you can see here, boom, the Space ID token is now made available to us. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Space ID token on your Pancake Swap, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.